Hello, this is the introduction to Keyshot. You're going to start with the basics of the interface. In the center is your environment where you would drop in your model. On the bottom, we have all the shortcut keys that you will need. On the right side is what you have for the project, your scenes, material, etc. On the left side, we have the materials. These are library of what's offered through the program. If you want to use shortcut keys to move these menus away, you can click the spacebar to remove and add. So I'm clicking spacebar. And for the left window, you click the library, it comes and goes. And now to import new part, you can click down here on the bottom, import, or go up to the top, file, import. You can bring in any type of 3D model, STL, CAD, SolidWorks. I'm just going to bring in a straight SolidWorks. We stay with the default and wait for the program to load the part. So as you see, the part comes in the center and is touching the ground. You can see the shadow, so you know it's sitting on the ground. If you zoom out a lot, you will actually see the environment it's sitting in. Now we're going to zoom back in. Zoom in and zoom out is the scroll of the wheel. Now going back in, if you want to rotate the part, you left click and you move around your part so you can see all sides. If you right click, there's a shortcut menu of all the things that's essential that you need. We'll go over those later. And next one, if you want to pan, you would click down the wheel and you can move your part around the scene. Okay. Now we're going to start with this model on the right side under the scene. This is where the detail of our product is. So here's all the parts that are on this model, and these are subcategories. If I click on the eye, it will hide or show if I click it again, and we can see what are all the parts. Also, there are some subparts. As you can see under this one, we have 3 subparts. If you just hover over the eye, it will show you like a shortcut of what that thing is. So you don't have to click and unclick. Here I have 2 layers for that part. All these parts are built separately in the CAD modeling program to have the option of applying separate material to them. So now let's apply the materials. For the top, I'm looking to add some sort of a plastic. I'm just going to search plastic. I don't want clear. I'm going to look for something more solid. Maybe this blue. All right, it's very blue. I don't like the color. To edit, we just double click on the material. And on the right side, the property of the material shows up. So we can click on the color and update it to what we like. A little bit lighter, more toward a white would look good. Okay, now there's a button on the top. I need more contrast for that button. So dark blue, I'm dragging and dropping to the top. The midsection should be clear as if the soap would show on the inside. So clear plastic. Okay, we have a few options. I'm gonna go with the smoked one. You can't see clear, that's because I have another layer behind it, as you guys remember. Now let's go hide that layer. See, there's two layers. I put that as for the liquid color, but now I'm just gonna hide it for now. Okay, now we can see it's a clear. Yeah, we see the inside. For the bottom part, this is gonna be more soft, elastic look, so maybe rubber or silicone. All right, here we go. There's silicone. Just drag and drop on the material. It's clear. We can change color actually double clicking on it, either from the right side or this time I'm going to use the actual libraries to change the color. So on the left side, go under the color. There's actual books, the Pantones, and if there is a specific color tone that a brand used, this is where you want to add the color. So let's go find a bluish, some sort of watercolor that is too green. Okay, maybe this one. Alright, it looks good. Okay, now you know how to add color and bring in your part and navigate around this program. Thank you for watching.